Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's my second day from surgery out of VA, and I want to say thank you to everybody. Thanks, Mike and Gary and Chalmer, all the guys that called me, check on me. My friend, I can't name everybody. I'm sorry, and I don't want to exclude anybody, but I am grateful for the prayers. Obviously, number one, I always want them prayers. Man, you feel so much better going into surgery when you know your friends are praying for you and God's got your back. So, thank you all for that. I'm up and walking a little bit. So I'm thinking people always said I had my knee replaced. So having your hip replaced is painful, extremely painful, but not near what my knee was. So that's true. Um, and I just want to tip my hat and give just a great salute to the people at the Cincinnati VA. I cannot thank them enough. I was scared to death. Everybody says avoid the VA as much as you can. Don't go to the VA. And I'm going to say they treated us fantastically. They were professional. They kept my wife informed. They treated her fantastically. They were very kind. When I come out, very compassionate. I went, Dave and Jerry and Ryan and the guys that I can remember. And then I had my nurses, Ernest and Teresa and Kelly. They were fantastic. They didn't push me. They didn't argue with me. They helped me. They brought things I needed at no questions asked. When I got up and started walking, they didn't fight me on it. They assisted me. I just want to say the Cincinnati VA, if there was a 5-star rating, I would have to give them that 5-star rating. And knowing I have to go back in for my second one, that's where we will go. So Dr. Ashfag was there. He was our surgeon, did a great job. So if anybody's in the Cincinnati area and is a veteran and is fearing the VA in Cincinnati, don't fear it. They treated me fantastic. They made jokes about being a ranger, all these things that they do to dog you, and good, clean fun, absolute professionalism. They just made the whole situation to be like a lighthearted thing, a professional thing. I knew everything that was going on before it happened. Surgery took about 3 hours. And again, one of the things that Heidi really appreciated was they really kept her informed on what was going on. So I don't know what else to say, but I just wanted to really say the Cincinnati VA went above and beyond for me. It was fantastic. I'm feeling fantastic. I'm walking my second day. I got a lot of swelling, but everything is tolerable. And the one thing they didn't push on me was painkillers and things like that, which I told them I wouldn't take, and I don't. So I've been able to walk my second day, no painkillers, no nothing. So because I don't want to get addicted to those, and maybe they're not addictive, but I still want to prevent that. So number one, thank you all, everybody on Facebook, all my friends from high school, all my Ranger buddies, all my family members that reached out. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am doing very well. A big thank you to the Cincinnati VA. What an outstanding team! What a stellar crew they were. Uh, just fantastic. When I struggled coming out of surgery, they put their arms around me. They held on to me. They talked me through things that were going on. My friend Brad came up and prayed with me. I just can't say thank you enough. So thank you guys for the comments. I read every one of them. Although I didn't comment on every one of them, I did read every comment, and I want to say thank you again. That makes getting over surgery and going into surgery so much easier when you know somebody's got your back, and you guys have my back. So anyway, it's Friday. I hope everybody has a great weekend. God is good. God is good. And thank you. Thank you for those that prayed for me again. I hope you all have a great weekend.